Era guys.
Just lift her up and carry her. Lift her by her foot. Let her go Larry, make him all out. Let her go Larry.
Larry, hold up, come on, sir. Put your hand around me. Your hand stiff.
Yeah. No, you're going to
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me feel. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Yeah. Gloria.
Yeah.
How you doing? Something Governor.
Yes, sir.
We're not too terrorist still, you know, we're donation for Gloria.
Okay.
So I come there and drop off. So how you feeling though, Gloria?
Not too bad.
Not too bad. I go and give thanks. Here, me, right? Yeah. So I have Governor. I have $5,000 from His Gloria.
Okay.
From Stacy from the UK. So this is 5,000 from Stacy from the UK.
Thanks, girl.
Thanks, Stacy.
Your business, thanks.
Your basket will not empty.
That's very good.
Yeah.
Thanks, Stacy, to send this to Gloria, you know?
Yeah. Alright then, you know, so Gloria, let's go and hold strong, see me, yeah?
Yeah.
Let's go and hold strong.
Yeah.
And the wheelchair. Me get one, you know. Yeah, me get a wheelchair.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's a short of 2 screw. So me get the 2 screw for them and so she can have the wheelchair. So I get a wheelchair for her which she can get.
Alright.
Yeah, Gloria?
Yeah, thanks.
So you can.
When?
When?
Thursday.
This Thursday.
This Thursday I come.
Thursday I come. Alright then, so you don't want it before that so you can push her with it, right?
Yeah, you could have get it before that.
Alright, then I make you get it then Wednesday then.
Alright.
So you can bring her, right? So Wednesday. I'm start out for your Wednesday, right? Yeah, Gloria?
Yeah.
So you can have the wheelchair.
Thanks.
Yeah, man. Alright then, Governor.
Yeah, man, give thanks.
Give thanks.
Yeah?
Yeah. Alright then, RR. Yeah. Alright then, blessings. So how's everything?
Yeah, man, I'm going with it.
Go on with it, look, you know?
Yeah.
So how you feel though? You feel too bad. food, man. I'm glad I feel a little better. I'm glad I feel a
Can't
little
get
better.
feet, said man.
Yeah.
No appetite now.
Yeah. Appetite and they see me. See that take the pill them?
I am down
Tears.
Yes, I don't want.
So you have to go check that out back then, man. If your appetite not come back yet, from then time they not get no appetite to eat.
I said the day is too young, I just 2 months.
Yeah, yeah.
Just there I go and watch.
Yeah, yeah. If you go and take the medication, hopefully then it can help. Definitely. Yeah, it can help.
Yeah, what kind of curfew?
Drink porridge as well and things are good as well. Porridge and stuff like that.
What's the ensure we drink?
Ensure.
Yeah, we drink porridge.
No appetite. Yeah. It's a really rough one, man. I lie. Really rough. Well, I have 2 donations for you. You know, I come serve here for you. Yeah, so you know, the people them still reach out and them understand say she have been put down, you know. Rest in peace. You know, and God bless all who been reaching out. So now a donation for you from Miss Brown from the US. Miss Brown from the US, $10,000 for you from Miss Brown from the US.
Miss Brown from the US. Thanks. May God bless the food basket never. Thank you very much.
Yeah. Then I also counted.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, Miss Brown. I also have $3,000 from Miss Inez from the USA. Sorry. $3,000. Hold this. No, hold on. No, count that. Look at all this thing. Count it. 3,000.
Miss Brown from
No, Miss Inez.
Miss Inez. Thank you very much. May your food basket never empty. May God bless you. Thank you very much, Miss Inez.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So each one of them said, they might tell me they must ask to stay strong, same way, and, you know, and keep praying. You know,
Yeah, man, I keep praying. I'm just try to be strong, man. I tell you, I don't come and can't overcome.
No, you know, I can't do that so quick, you know.
Yeah.
I tell you, it's a thing where it have a rest. It don't have a time limit for me to recover from something like that. I understand, man.
Real, man.
We already tell you, say nobody knows the pain that you are feel but you. You know, so it's really understandable what you're going through. So.
You got all on it, do one of them. Thanks, man. God bless you, man. Beautiful basket, never end. Respect and thanks.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Respect. Big up yourself. Dream team, one team.
One team.
Respect and thanks.
Thank you. Come here.
Thank you.
So thank you.
Yeah, take you.
Yeah. So thank you.
Thank you. Go on. What's the thank you, mommy?
Take it for your mouth. Say dream team. Thank you.
Dream team, one team.
Alright then, so we're gonna thank Miss Brown, you know, Miss Brown, Dream Team Auntie. So thank you so much for looking out for the kids. So.
Okay, thank you, Miss Brown, for the kids them. Many blessings, many thanks. I hope your food basket never empty. Still I send it come the way, we still I do the good work same way. Take care of yourself just like when I take care of myself also.
Yeah. Alright then. Come babies, come. I'm gonna get no jacket. Everything well fit. Alright, Krista?
Straight.
Everything fit. I'm gonna get no jacket. Yeah? Yeah, yeah. Well, I'm putting them there. Come, my kids, come.
Yeah, forget it, yeah.
Yeah. This is all my young kids. Dream team.
One team.
Are we gonna say kids team?
One
You
team.
say one team. I say kids team. I say one team. Yeah, tell them again. Say dream team.
One team.
Kids team.
One team.
Yeah, that's what we're gonna say it again. We're gonna say dream team.
One team.
Kids team.
One team.
Oh, man, my kids team. You see that, Ebe? Bigger torch than you. Me a torch. You. So, Rihanna is not here. No breathe today. Alright, so I got a gift for each one of my kids them. My dream team kids them. I never get no jacket. Give thanks to the mommy them. Yeah, these are my kids. No jacket, everything fit, as you can see. She look like me, she look like me, him look like me. Everybody look like me. Right? No jacket. No jacket. So I wanna say Auntie Brown, thank you, because I'm gonna give you $1,000 each from Auntie Brown. Okay? So after I'm going, you can tell Auntie Brown thanks, okay? So I have my first little boy.
Thank you, Auntie Brown.
Alright then. Come my son. Yeah, thank you, Auntie Brown.
Thank you, Auntie Brown.
Alright.
Thank you, Auntie Brown.
Thank you, Auntie Brown.
Thank you, Auntie Brown.
Thank you, Auntie Brown. Thank you, Auntie Brown. Thank you, Auntie Brown.
Thank you, Auntie Brown.
Yeah. Now we have Bree. Alright, we'll give them. You hold on on one side, you hold on on one side. Come here. We're gonna share half. Come here. Come here. Two other come here. The two other come here. Come. Come. You hold on one side. And you hold one side. The two now hold one side. Then, so that is the two on $500 each.
Thank you.
Alright then. So look, come everybody, come here my kids. So we have breathing. Stand right. So everyone gonna say after 3, we're gonna say thank you, Auntie Brown, right? So,
Yeah.
So let's give them go change it. So after 3, everyone will say thank you, Auntie Brown. Remember now, everyone. Just work the money as well too. So after 3, 1, 2, 3.
Thank you, Auntie Brown.
Okay, well done. So clap on yourself, man. Clap on yourself, my kids. Alright then. And so take care, yeah? Bye bye. Bye. Sure. I say thank you, Auntie Brown. Say thank you, Auntie Brown.
Thank you, Auntie Brown.
Thank you, Auntie Brown.
Kayla, what you do to my daughter? Why my daughter face looks so vexed, Kayla? Why you kidding her ear so hard, Kayla? No make me have nothing, no Kayla. Kayla, don't play with my daughter, yeah? You alright, baby? Alright then. Don't ramp with me now, yeah? Don't ramp with me. Yeah. Yeah, Zaka Zao. Today we're in the kitchen. And we have the chicken in the kitchen. Chicken ready already. For the big up Warren aka Bounty. So today, Zaka Zao. Wow, chef is not here today.
Warren
Chef.
aka Bounty. See that? But it's true.
So, wow, chef is not here, so we have Zaka Zao in the kitchen here today. I look out for some food for the elders then. So you know we have some chicken on the side and we have what the ground provide. So we have banana, sweet potato, Irish and yam, you know, on the side for the elders then today. And pumpkin.
You understand?
So that's sponsored by Warren. Bounty.
Give thanks. What for respect.
So give thanks. So that's the chicken there I go on. Well, the chicken ready. The ground provide food soon ready. So you know we have Zaka Zao in the kitchen today. I go and take it on like a champion.
Yeah, I'll take it on.
The wow chef is not here. I'm going to take on the road. The Mambaja. Wow chef na day here today, so na Zaka Zao. Again I come and burger and put on a little base work on the outskirts. You know I have the wow, where you know I have the Zaka Zao that I go and put in the different.
Now I'm proud, yeah?
So we give thanks to Warren providing this meal for the elderly today. Warren come like I'm the godfather.
Yeah man, the dream team man. Our godfather of the dream team man.
Governor. Go on, Governor, man, you know what help? Oh, Larry strong, you know. Larry, you know what help?
Yeah, man.
Come in, come here, quick. Here. Here, come on. Hold on, see Era coming.
Yes, stand up there, get up and walk, man.
Yeah. Era welcome.
Just lift her up and carry her. Lift her by her foot. Let her go Larry, make him go Larry. Let her go Larry.
Larry, hold up, come here, sir. Put your hand around, man. Your hand stiff.
Yeah. No, you're going to
It's not a pep prayer.
I'm more stronger than bring you. It's not trap you.
Gloria, not drop you.
You're not why? Why? You not drop me. Here.
In here, so that way here. It's not drop your Gloria. It's not drop you.
Because you're afraid. Here reach one, go on light.
See, Gloria, this is the national hero. He won't drop you. Superman, yeah? Alright, Governor.
Laura,
Hero now drop you.
you feel like they want to jump you? They won't jump themselves.
Yeah.
Somebody lift you up and move it up. Whoa. Nobody not jump you. Is it nobody not jump her?
But no, I agree a Friday and she said when the old man get lift up so high.
Alright. But every time she go hospital and come back, I walk up the stairs. And when I reach her, I walk up the stairs. She look up, whoa, man, the jump you. But nobody not jump you.
Brother drop himself.
Yeah.
Brother drop himself.
Straight up.
No, that's right.
Yeah, man, you know, most brother drop yourself and drop the man. Bad too much, man.
We gotta provide some meal. I was make sure get some ground food in our beef, yeah?
Yeah, man.
We gotta look up for some food for the airlines then.
Me niece.
Colors!
Yo, what going Kino?
Colors, warm.
You know, I just do some laundry around there, man. But I want a food, so I'm asking somebody to get me the food. Yeah. Mr. Rai, how you doing,
send
sir?
someone gonna buy the food for you?
Not as yet. When me am Gary, so I have to pay him because I ain't doing nothing for free. You know?
Yeah.
Yeah, I have to give him $2.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you okay though?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, but that's what Kino, boy. Hold on, let me fix up my socks.
Fix up your socks.
I can't stop talking about the donuts and them now, brother.
Yeah.
Jeez, I'm crying. Yeah, pass, make sure pass. Pass, young lady.
Me I drop my clothes.
Oh, you're drying up the clothes. Oh my God. Oh, you don't want. Oh. Hold on a minute, Kino. Yeah, Kino. I have to big up the donuts, them, brother, because right now, you people make colors living in style, bro. And Kino, you see all of them people we came to Jamaica and they saw me at the airport. Oh my gosh, I love them so much. They never give me money, you know.
No,
It's alright. Every time when me at the airport, people who watch Kino program, they saw me. Oh my gosh, you see when they land and they get outside and they saw me, it's like a bounty killer and being a man, they say. Lone screaming, oh my gosh, Colors, what's up? You're still chucking off in the jacuzzi. So I was saying, I can't stop chucking off in the jacuzzi, bro. Yeah. Sometimes I mean I in a Kino, 20 I cut, you know.
Yeah,
I cut 10 and I say, alright, 20.
20.
Yeah, all Stephanie from London who get me the coach.
Yeah.
Yo, Kino, man, I tell you. But guess what now? Me have to get up like in the afternoon because I was out of current.
Okay,
the
so
girl who I get light from is like more time she plug out the extension.
Okay.
So in there was very hot. Because when I'm in there and turn on that big AC fan, oh my gosh. I slept, I don't sleep, you know, I slept. Oh my gosh. Yes, man.
Alright, Colors.
Big up on yourself for the donuts, I know they love me, you know.
Yeah,
I can't stop talking about it. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
All the people who, oh my gosh, who make Colors feel like him as somebody now. Yeah, but one of them there, you know, Kino, you see when, you know, when you come around there, when I get the chestnut jar.
Alright then.
Yeah, and drop in there.
Yeah,
you get me?
Alright then, so big up yourself,
Long
Colors.
time to the world in a donuts. Out, yeah, I'm signing out.
Signing out.
Yeah. Okay, Gary, you ready to get me the food now? Yeah, that's the bridge and I'm gonna pay to go get me the food, you know?
But we have cook food, you know.
Big up my friend Joseph too, you know?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, that dude's a real soldier, man.
We have cooked the food now, so I guess you can't wait when the food.
No, I don't think I'm gonna wait. You get me? Yeah. I'm just
So you
gonna.
have to catch your plane later, right?
No, I ain't leaving till about like 4:30 in the evening, you know, bro.
Okay.
Yeah, you get me?
Okay.
Oh my gosh, what you just said? Oh, they need to get me on a plane.
Yeah.
Oh, nothing is done before the time, you know.
Hold on, I say I can't twang like him.
Aye. Oh, my tongue, you beat
Bite
your
your
tongue.
Yeah, man, try to twang like him.
Yeah, see, you can't do it, Color.
You beat your tongue.
Bit
Beat your tongue.
tongue.
Don't say beat, I gotta bite your tongue.
Yeah, bit my tongue. I can't talk.
No, let's practice, Joe.
Yeah. We're back again. Only live in Hero. Okay, Hero alone could have saved the day a while ago. You see what I'm saying? Hero! Put us all the money when I live ways. Where me be now I can't manage Gloria. Where me now I can't manage Gloria. So
Nah, the big muscle, man.
Yeah.
You have the big muscle, man.
I'm called for the Hero, you know.
See
And boom muscle just tired because him that peel a whole heap of ground provide food. I know Tarpy now I can't manage up the step with Gloria. That's why I have to draw for the only living hero. She get lips so high, she couldn't believe. She's like, oh my God, I got draft. The first she get lips so high off the ground. Super strength, man. Yeah. Alright, Zaga.
I'm here, you know?
Alright then, cooking up a storm for the elders then.
Yeah.
Once more again. And again. As we said, the whole chef is not here.
Food stuff, because we're ready to the fish, you know? It is from the French fry,
So this is the pot now. This is the pot for the elders now. So we have banana and pumpkin, sweet potato, Irish, yam, you know, and you name it.
To the elders.
That is the best way of boiling banana and keep it over the skin. Best way. And we have fish on the side. This one of the food in chicken. Nice fish. Well, Warren full of surprises, you know. Warren, big up yourself, Warren, for my birthday, surprise, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, the clean team ladies, them plan it well right.
Right.
You know.
Warren.
Nah, like I never have an idea.
Well, you're going good, Warren.
Yeah, river trip.
Yeah, every boy. Give thanks, my brother. Warren. You see, yeah, do it too.
I'ma do it, man. I'ma do it the right way. I will give thanks in every time.
Give thanks for every time we are. You see, we know how only bad thing go on, where you still are going. Yeah, I just told what go on now.
Yeah.
You understand? Give thanks. You see what the effort they are putting in and I help to fulfill.
Yeah.
So give thanks to them.
Yeah, I pick up a Love Bay Station.
Love Bay Station.
Whoa, no.
Well, I tell you, for what they have a call on the name to our one. You see, I'm not too out.
Yeah.
We're out now, we're for big now. You see, and to all the donors and all over the world. You see, give thanks, blessed Lord, keep yourself safe.
Yeah.
You get me? You're still outside. I put you in the world. You see, for us and we.
Yeah.
You see, son, for we are you. And for us, because we do help the people and we have help them. We have it now a long time.
Yeah.
You see, so we just, you know, add up some brothers and sisters from all over the world. We have love like we. You get me? Give thanks again.
Yeah.
I appreciate loving. You see, I appreciate loving for what you know I'm doing for.
Sure, I will give thanks. Big up to all viewers.
To all viewers, donors, subscribers, give thanks. You see, because what we're doing makes sense. Give thanks.
Alright then, so as we're there, you know, I was on the live earlier.
Yeah.
You know, see many people commenting and ask about Ali and I ask about them.
Yeah.
And as we can always explain to them, they're not really in the community or around the team because of what's going on.
You see, Ali our brother, you know.
When I already hear Ali speak about that in previous videos before when him saying he could walk around because of what's going on. So there's a reason why I can't see him.
We don't have to none of our brothers.
So anytime I get a chance or whenever they do, at times can come on the camera and explain and let the people them know what's going on because I can't really say much if I don't really know much.
Yeah,
the only thing I can carry on doing is doing the work that we're doing. So let me say because of what's going on in the community, why you don't see them. So yeah, so back to the Zaga.
Yo, bring them around now.
One fish brown on one side.
Yeah. Let's go all like the fish, you know.
There we go. And if a big up Pablo himself, you know.
Pablo
the general.
Pablo, my father. You get me?
Pablo.
You're one of my father them. For a long time. You get me? Big up yourself, keep yourself safe.
Yeah.
Because one day again, my father, you come on the ground, come greet your son there.
Yeah.
You get me? Your son, you behave yourself and do the work place. You see what I do it. So give thanks, Pablo. You see? All our donors them again, I beg you. Ricardo. What a whole man name I go call him.
Too much.
You see, whole man name. So
too much.
More time we just said to all the loved ones them out there. You see, keep yourself safe.
Every time.
Every time.
Whoa. Mother Teresa is here.
Okay.
Mother
All of the
Teresa.
donuts them. And I'm glad all not taking myself cleanly with the corona just like myself, but just still I do good work and guide myself safely. So bless up all of the donors. No part of them can't call them because we get plenty, but give God thanks to the whole of the safety.
Talpi love Bay Station. Whoa. Big up me love Bay Station. Whoa. Number 1 radio station. Whoa. Cross the sea, cross the ocean. Whoa. Oh.
Yeah, man, big up all of the donors, I hear that.
Yeah.
Straight, man, big up all of the whole world.
It's straight.
Yeah, man, love this station.
Hallelujah.
What a station here, man, I tell you. General Pablo, I said nothing to start. Ricardo, radio, being real people, not other.
Cheers.
Being real people.
So much.
Yeah, man.
Back in there, water the street. Next up, and cool on your place. And with the craft shop next door.
Check when you wait up your yard. That's where you keep. Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.